How to redeem eBay gift card. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up any web browser such as Google Chrome, and now on the search bar, search for ebay.com and press enter. Then log into your account. Once you have logged in, you can continue to purchase your favorite items. So here you can scroll and find your favorite items that you want to buy. Once you have found the items that you want to purchase, click on Buy Now option. At the checkout, you can find your order total without any discounts. Now scroll down and you're going to find this box where you can enter your gift cards, coupon or eBay bucks. Enter your gift card code, coupon code or eBay bucks code here, then click on the apply option and the discount will be applied. Any balance remaining will stay on the card for your next eBay purchase. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.